Hello, everybody. This is Tuesday's Social Studies with our Studies Weekly. So go ahead and get your week 18 Studies Weekly out. Like I said earlier, in an earlier video, we're not going in order. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go ahead and open up your Studies Weekly. And in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see an article that says Economic Independence. Okay? So, economic independence. Here are some examples of economic independence in ancient civilizations. Around 4000 BC, the Sumerians discovered copper and started shipping it to people who didn't have any. It was such a rich trade that they named the main shipping river Copper River. The Sumerian word for copper is Aruda, which is the root word for Euphrates River. In Egypt, people wove and pounded the flat fibers of a plant called the papyrus to make paper. In 600 BC, the Greeks started buying their papyrus from a city called Byblos. During medieval times, people often belonged to groups called guilds. Members of merchant guilds brought products to market for others and sold them to the community. Members of craft guilds such as bakers, carpenters, blacksmiths, and cobblers were excellent at making certain things. Guilds helped the community by providing the goods and services needed for everyday life. And as you can see here, this is, I would guess, Egyptian people making paper because it looks like they are, looks like this gentleman here is making paper and this one over here may be writing on it. It's all rolled up. See, it even says Egyptians made paper from papyrus in 600 BC. The Greeks started buying their papyrus from a city called Byblos. So that's what they are doing, is making paper. Okay, so now that we're done reading that one, go ahead and look at your Tuesday, and it says answer the following question and text, email, or dojo me your answer. Name 2 items that ancient civilizations used for trade. Okay, so go ahead and send me your answers when you have it. I look forward to hearing them. Bye.